Nganophinda futhi nganoprega maybe sina 2 months ke nganothatha lo mntana lo ngayomlahlela edampini nganomgubhela phansi nje then wanobuya nganomtshela akazange asho ukuthi ayasambe siyobona or kwenzakalani.
How old was the child?
Besine 2 months lesi esamathwini besine 5 months.
Azange baphile nabo.
Maybe sometimes hamba maybe 1 year 6 angezosibona sihleli silinde yena nje sengidangerous kubantwana cause ngasho ukuthi sometimes sengifikelwa nokuthi ngibulale lezi zingane nami ngizibulale. Sihlale kunganakudla ngiye ngahamba ngiyokha umroho edampini ngabuya ngapheka sadla. Mina ngiphandle udlala nabantwana makadlala nabantwana hayi into yakhe ivukile ke manje ngimbuza ukuthi hayibo manje kwenzakalani anokwata anothi wena usihlayela wena.
Sawubona sisi wami kunjani?
Yebo futhi njani?
Hayi ngiyaphila. Welcome to Sensitive Topics podcast. Please introduce yourself and tell them your name, where you're from and how old you are.
Igama lami ngolungile. Ngina 35 years. Ngibuya eSwatini.
Okay.
Ngihlala ePhumulo ngifuna.
You wrote to us with a very sad and very sensitive story. Would you please tell us what your story is?
Okay. Story sami sithi is like ngiye ngathandana nomunye ubhuti owaseLimpopo. So siye sathandana mara sithandana kasho ukuthi unomfazi uye wathi hayi nomama wengane. Sanothandana after nganoba pregnant.
Okay.
The time ngipregnant nganogula.
Ukuliswa yiyo i-pregnancy.
Nganogula. Gula then masimfonela bengangeni phone yakho. Usisi wamathaya siye kwakhe. So nahamba kwakhe masifika kwakhe vele usisi amakhuluma nalomuntu mina nganophuma. Athi hayi lo muntu umfazi wakhe bashadile. So athi bayeza sithe masekaphuma usisi wami sanohlangana nabestradini imoto ingena. Anothi makabuya athi hayi woza sikhuluma ngithi hayi nayikho into engifuna ukuyikhuluma. Oqala ucamama ngathi wena awushada awunamfazi mara wena ushadile. Athi hayi bengizokutshela kanjani because bengincane ukuthi sizohlukana. Ngithi at least kube bongitshelile. Ngazi ukuthi ngisifaka ngibe ngazi ngithi hayi ufuna ukungibulala is okay. Na isisi sami sazophuma nganogula ngaphumela esibhedlela bangiklina because akunamuntu bengizothi ngizothatha abantwana ngibayise kuphi.
Okay. Oh, so already you had children already when you met him?
Yeah, benginayo.
Okay. Unomntwana oyi-1.
Then
okay.
After lapho bazothi sazophuma nganophuma ngabiyela endlini wanochuba nje like izinto zishapa akafune akasho ukuthi kwenzakalani. Nganophinda futhi nganoprega maybe sina 2 months ke singama ngipregile sanophuma ngimfonela ngabamba ifoni ngama private number ngabamba. Anophendula after nganothatha lo mntana lo ngayomlahlela edampini. Nganomgubhela phansi nje then wanobuya nganomtshela akazange asho ukuthi ayasambe siyobona or kwenzakalani. Wanochubeka nje wachubeka nempilo. Chubeka unokuthi wachubeka then ngano.
When this happened, how old was the child?
Besine 2 months lesi esamathwini besine 5 months.
Azange baphile nabo. And then the second one is the
2 months.
Okay. And then with the twins, the first ones, what happened? Did you have a burial for them or?
No, like esibhedlela bangilentuza because benganabo la bengizoba sakhona because mina ngizibuyele eSwazini.
Okay. And then he never asked you about the second child, even the twins.
Akazange asho ukuthi ufuna ukuya, akazange asho lutho. Uthi okay ithi ngiyobona, akazange asho lutho, achubeka nje waba normal. Sachubeka sahlala until ngazopreka lo mntwana okhona omdala. Waba khona bekamsupporta before, mara bekangamthengela impahla ngamenzela next. Bekamthengela ama-pampers nani. Bengisizwa abantu ke basestradeni, bangidonatela ukudla, benza yona impahla. Sometimes angabhadala irent, kwamele ngithengise izinto endlini. Wathi ukuhamba kwesikhathi ngazothola umsebenzi wama-Friday ngasebenza. Ngithe mangithola leyo msebenzi kanti bengingazi ukuthi yena bekahambile, maybe sometimes hamba maybe 1 year 6. Angezosibona sihleli silinde yena nje.
Akafoni,
uyafona kuphela. Ahamba ngezi. Hayi makabuya ke sho ukuthi is the time azongipractice. Then ahamba.
Uhambe before umntana.
Uhambe sekunalo munye. Lo omncane ngimtshelile sibeka sakhona ngipreke. Ngitshela ukuthi mangithola ukuthi hayi ngipregnant ngithi ngiyoskip. Athola ukuthi isisu sesisidala sine 20 weeks 3 days. Ngaya kuyobhuka after lapho vela ngihlala ngesikhathi ngazophathwa amapain. Ngaya esibhedlela umntana admit esibhedlela. Then kwamele ukuthi ngiyemsebenzini angikwazi ukuthi ngiyemsebenzini kwamele ke ngiye kumsebenzi. Ngikadingane. Bekuye ke bekanginikeza imali yokuya esibhedlela.
Ngicela ukubuza futhi so was he still dating the woman that you found him with the time beniya nosisi wakho? Was he still together with the woman?
Yeah, beba together naye. Balokhu babonke bahlala bonke. Balokhu bahlala bonke ke nabo ngathi baba banenkinga zabo. Balokhu bahlala bonke.
Bekana ingane ezinye nalo sisi.
Unengane ezinye naye. So kuthe ngiyengaya nasemsebenzini wakhe. Sasagcina siye police station athi kumele ukuthi mina ngihambe nabantwana bakhe mangifuna ukuya emakhaya ngihambe nabantwana bakhe banamaphepha. Akazange abenzela until namhlanje. Makumele ngiye ekhaya akafuna abantwana bakhe baye emakhaya nganobaleka ngaye emakhaya. Nabo anomfonela wathi hayi nje yena ufuna abantu sibuye emuva wanosithumelela imali yokubuya. Sanobuya imali umama athi ayihambani enza amaphepha nizobuya kahle ke till today akaze ayenze leyo nto leyo.
Okay, so makasuka lapho bebazi ukuthi makazala uza kuwe.
Le Mamelodi
Angisho ukuthi
makeza kimi
ahlala khona.
Bebangazi mara umfazi uye wa find out ukuthi unomntwana mara lo omunye
namanje
angazi ukuthi wathi yena umtshelile angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Sanobuya sesihlala eMamelodi ke eMamelodi aya akuzange nje sihlala kuhlezi kunomsindo kuhlezi kuliwa asumuntu ofuna ukubuzwa something. Awumbuza if ungambuza something which means isenalo so kwatile sokuzokuphendula kabuhlungu or no nothukana like uthanda ukuthukana vela theke. Tshela ngithi mara nangu ukuthuka ngiyabuza. Akafuna ukubuza esathi akafuna nje ukubuzwa. Kunala
umhlobo bani lo
umpedi kunala khona kunganalutho endlini. Sometimes uno pretenders inakana mali abanayo. Sihlale kunganakudla ngiye ngahamba ngiyokha umroho edambini kunedambu khona ngapha eMamelodi. Ngiyokha umroho edambini ngabuya ngapheka sadla nodla. Nothi ngelinye ilanga nothi ngihamba ugesi athi hayi asambe siye emakuleni mina bese ngilele vele ngithi hayi mina angifuna athi asambe sinohamba. Masifika emakuleni ngithi hayi mina hayi angena athi why ngithi hayi enhliziyo yami lithi ngangena 1 hayi nongena emakuleni makabuya athi hayi ngitholile mara ngithi u-actor as in like akanamali.
Uyithole kubani imali?
Angazi phela
Ikhula lona le.
yeah okay. Hayi igesi beyicimile cause besebenzisa ifone eyi-1. Mayibuya igesi ifone makubuya ugesi ngivula ifone iphethwe yimi ngibona like Nedbank.
Oh,
ungena imessage ye-Nedbank withdraw ufika withdraw 200 athenga then asala ne mangicheka lapha withdraw khona bekane shukuthi bekane 3000 so kule 3000 adraw le mali anothule ngithi ke ayibile na anginaki ngithi hayibo
akhiphe 200 kuphela
liphi ikhadi lakho lase Nedbank athi likhona ngithi hayibo mara le draw okay mangipheka i-message ngithi hayi ayayizola isiya namhlanje because of igesi beyihambile mara umuntu onganamala angingasho next ngithule because I isithulele ngoba yena akanamali the seMamelodi mina ngiphandle udlala nabantwana makadlala nabantwana hayi into yakhe ivukile ke manje umntana mangifika ngithola uhleli naye umntana uthi ufuna ukudla ngaye ngibenzela ukudla so into yakhe imile ke manje hawu ngimbuza ngithi hayibo manje kwenzakalani anokwada ngithi why ukwada cause mina ngiyabuza maybe uzongi-explainela ukuthi kwenzakalani because na angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani hayi anothi wena usihlayela wena
because uyambuza ukuthi kwenzakalani
ngithi hayi phela ungayisho lento because nangi uyangithusa because nami kuye kwenzeka lezi zinto lezi ezenzakalayo hayi athi uthini cama ukuthi ngarape umntana ngithi no ngiyabuza kuyafana boba barape abantwana kutho wakho because yena sometimes unokusho ukuthi yalo mntana akasiwakhe lo tshela ukuthi ubamba ibhanji
usho
lo wentombazana hayi ngithi okay if mina maybe ngirong ithi sifuna umunye umuntu ozosho ukuthi maybe mina ngirong the way ngikhuluma nawe ngakhona
cela ukukuphazamisa athi kuyafana ngoba lengane ngathi asiyami
uhleza asho vele ukuthi umntana lo akasiwakhe so mina ngiyamtshela ukuthi anevuthi usho ukuthi ngarape umntana ngoba sometimes unokusho ukuthi akasiwakho yayibona angithi hayi singabuza umunye umuntu ke omfazi sizwe ukuthi yena uzothatha liphi side ukuthi mina ngirong kanjani hayi ngifonela usisi wakhe athi hayi unganofonela umama anganophuma kuye kanti mina esho ukuthi mangiphuma kibo bona bayakhuluma as a family hayibo hayi sanohamba ngibe ngimtshela ukuthi angifuna ukuyikibi sanohamba wathi nizohamba sanohamba masihamba masifike kibo sihlezi nje sahlala after lapho kwathi aphuza mina bengichina umntana kasisi wakhe sihleli nje kwelinye room hayi aphuza kumnandi wanocala wenza umsindo noqale kancane lokwenza umsindo enza umsindo ayegcineni wagcina nangiyolalisa abantwana ngathi hayi ifune ngingayisho because ulwa nami wena hayi ke wanosukuma ke manje sekarasa phumela ngaphandle nami nganophuma ngabashiya abanye bamba bayolala nawo wangivalela ngaphandle avala igarage nganolala ngaphandle
ubusuku bonke kwasekuseni mabavuka bangithola ngihleli ngaphandle bathi awuhlela abanye abantu babhizi so after ukukhuluma kwabo banongitshela ke ukuthi bangibonise enye imessage nginalezi zinto za TikTok bathi bhala umuntu igama lomuntu akubhala izinto ofuna akwenzele zona nganobhala bese uthelisana mona ufaka paysin hayi ngithe ngikwenzile lokho sekwakudala vele bengisahlala eThembisa sho ukuthi yena uthe mangihambile asala ngisearch anokuthola ku-wallet enye bengayisebenzisi ashuthela abantu bakubo sho ukuthi bebakhuluma sesihleli ku-meeting banongibonisa leya paper handwriting yakho ngathi ngiyazi bathi yini yona le banongitshela ukuthi if niyamloya ulolo nizobe nimloya no umfazi wakhe yamloya nawe uyamloya ngamtshela naye ngathi mina ungahamba nabantu bakini uyochecka ukuthi kuna something engake ngakwenza yona na uyayibona hayi bekubhaleni ephepheni le
iphepha likhona liphethe for ukuthi eliphethe.
So ke yasebenza yona.
Hayi. Mara nabe ngiyenza because angithi bathi sizenze.
Yeah, ngoba bekangakusizi ngalutho.
Bekangasizi lesasikhathi nganoyenza.
Okay.
Na iphepha yakhona. So iphepha yakhona ke yiyo ke engimloye ngayo.
Basho njalo.
Ekibo basho njalo. So ngitheke nge-30 ngihambile ngiya ethembisa ngesikhathi ke seka ngizoze ngihamba ngishaye cause bese ngumuntu owayo banginikeza amaphilisi. So bekarasa namangithi ngithatha amaphilisi wanothi mina ngiphuza amaphilisi. Ngifuna ukuzibulala. Anothatha ifone cause ifone yathengwa uyinothi masilo angithathela ifone. Asiyakuhlanyisa. Hayi. Anongithathela ifone wathatha ifone wangena ka WhatsApp bekangena vele uhleza hlala ku Facebook yami naka WhatsApp angena bekangena sendela abantu abasendela ukuthi mina ngiyazibulala wazothi ke ngiyazibulala. So uthe mase kangishaya kukhiya umnyango manje yena uthi isikhiya skimi ngiyathi ngithi mina isikhiya angisazi anoloku angishaya kafuna isikhiya. Angishaya funa isikhiya the time bekangishaya bekangipresse la kuma ribs angipressila kakhulu like ngiphelelwa umoya ngikhama
ngezandla
angikhama mangithi ngiyamemeza ngimemeze the time ngimemeza umama se next door like ivoice bengaphuma anongiyeka after lapho makasukume esofeni anothola isikhiya avula ayaphandle nganothula ngangasho next so ngafonela abasethembisa labe abangisizayo vele abanye basebaba mababhedi nganobafonela ngihlezi vele ngimana time ngisekhaya kubo ngabatshela ukuthi wenza so cause kunale day athe asekhaya kubo wanothatha imvuba nongishaya asisekamereni so makangishaya nganothula ngithi ngimkhuza ngabona ukuthi if mina ngizophendula kuzothi kusasa mabavuke kibo bathi ngicala futhi ukumhluba nganolanda usisi wakhe ngamtshela ukuthi nang ubhuti wakho sekaqalile manje ngishaya ngemvuba ngimenzanga next
anomkhuzele wena le nto leyo
beyikho ikhona kibo khona kibo wamkhuza usisi wakhe ke asanolala ayenze njalo so bengihlezi ngibatshela yonke into so the day sekangishayile ke ngiyabatshela ukuthi kwenzakalani ngiyabashuthela nezithombe angishayile banokhuluma
beungisendele zona
ilezi ngisendele zona anokhuluma athi hayi bekazibulala ngibatshela ukuthi hayi angaze ngazibulala because before ngiye ngazama ukuthi ngizibulale so bengiye kuma social workers ethembisa abangikhansela naye beka khona bathi okay abantwana bazoba hangla phezulu kwakhe because na sengidangerous kubantwana cause ngasho ukuthi sometimes sengifikelwa nokuthi ngibulale lezi zingane nami ngizibulale mara bangikhansela nganotshela ukuthi angeke ngisaphinda ngizibulale.
So the time you were attempting to take your own life, was it because of the things you were going through in this relationship naye izinto lezi bekakenza zona?
Yizo lezo besingenza kanjalo. Abantwana abana lo mdala kumele esikoleni akanalutho akanamaphepha kana next akana birth certificate akakwazi ukuya esikoleni angikwazi ukuthi ngumyise esikoleni because lama ngisebenzi. So ngiyazama ukuthi ngimcele ukuthi enzele abantwana onovuma ngasho next.
Okay, so currently you guys are no longer together.
Mina ngisihambele ngimshile cause ngithe ngitshe okay like bekathi makalwa nami unobatshele kibo kuthi okay that day angishaya ngize sihamba akazange asho ukuthi uhambile. Mina nganokhuluma nosisi wakhe ngamtshela usisi wakhe cause bebasima bamhlalisa ama meeting bangamtshela iqiniso bebamenza umuntu oright njengaleyo mntwana. Usisi wakhe wangitshela efonini ukuthi how the time umbona ukuthi wena ufuna ukurape umntwana wena wanochubeka wahlala naye wayibonga hambi nokutshela ukuthi angisho ukuthi ihlukana nololo mara ngisho ukuthi wena cabangela impilo yakho cause loya muntu anger is not like anger ithole ku like mawumbona uzombona nice mara izinto asikhulumayo wanongibiza bosihlayela nake ngomkhwethe angibize ngayo yonke into nothula ngathi decide ukuthi ithi ngisihambele ngisashiya yonke into abantwana banayo impahla abasinalutho.
So how long were you staying with him before you decided to leave him? How long did you guys?
Maybe 5 months.
All of these things happened in 5 months. Or
misine 9 years.
Or nihlala nonke.
Singahlali sonke mara sisonke ku relationship.
Yeah, okay, nithandana. So how old were you when you had your first child with him?
Ngithandane naye ngine 21. 29 if I'm sure. 29 or.
And then is he the same age as you or is he a bit older?
Yena wa 86.
Okay, so he's a little bit older than you, just a few years. Okay. So how is your current living situation? Hlela kanjani nabantwana? Hlala kuphi? Kunjani ekhaya? Survive kanjani?
So kwamanje vele kunzima mara la sihlala khona kwamanje bayasenzela angeke ngisho ukuthi vele bebaloku basupporta while ngisokola bebahlezi banami because bekuyibo bebasiza lo mntwana lo nezimpahla zama Christmas because bekangabathengele besithengwa yibo bebasithengela so manje salinda ukuthi at least mangithola something bangizamela something sihambe siye ekhaya ngiyobona ukuthi ngenza kanjani ngiyabuya nganofuna umsebenzi ngaba ngasinakekela abantwana bami.
Okay, so lapho nihlala khona ukabo bani like ukini or ni related nalabantu laba?
La ngihlala khona manje asihlobo abantu nje nabo bebangisiza basendaweni mara amapedi maybe nabo bezobhlungu because abantwana amapedi nabo ba amapedi bazwela since vele bebangisiza bengibawashela ngenza yonke into.
Oh, okay. Okay. And then I wanted to find out also your relationship with him right now. If he says he wants to get back together with you, or are you guys still together? Did you decide?
No, mina angise right.
Dalumxolela.
Ukumxolela ngisengakamxoleli inhliziyo yami sisebhlungu ngilimeze kakhulu. Ngilimeze kakhulu. Ungihlukumezile. Ungihlukumezile bekangangishaya bekahleza ngihlukumeza ngamagama. Mara bekasangishaya njengoba uzibonile ithombe ngikuforwardela zona. Bekasangishaya. Bekangishaya phambi kwabantwana. Ibile abantwana bayasho ukuthi abamfundi bayazi ukuthi even esikoleni bayasho ukuthi mama masothola umsebenzi angithi usazosibhadalela isikole ngithi because bayazi ukuthi akabenzeli lutho akababhadaleli. Ngimtshela ukuthi hayi wena sho ukuthi abantwana bamvela ubathanda because even noma besihlalana bekanobayeka abaganga angabakhuza hle naye ngimbuza ukuthi mara uthi ufuna ukuhlala nathi ufuna ukwenza kuba umndeni mara uhlule ukukhuza abantwana.
What is the plan going forward right now? Before we get into that, I would also like to ask Uguti, have you ever went back to the place where you buried the child?
No, manje sekwakhiwa.
Sekwakhiwe?
Manje sekwakhiwe. Kunenye ifeme yakhiwe khona lapha.
Ke wacabanga ukuthi maybe mhlambe uye emuntwini maybe akusize akucleanse or something like that or lezi izinto lezi zenzekile.
Akukho kwamanje ngeke ngakwenza because angisebenzi even like bengisamtshela ukuthi yazi ne society yami angisakhona ukuyibhadala bengisibhadalela i society yami the time ngisethembisa because bengikwazi ukuba nama piece job since bengihlala naye angikwazi ukubhadala i society akanikeza imali so ngambuza ukuthi andi society ayibhadalwa ngizolapse if ungenzeka something uzoyenza kanjani since manje sengicollapse athe ngoba uyazi ifamily yamathi akunandaba miningi imigodi la eSouth Africa sokungcwaba angithi unayo isociety tshela ukuthi ngoba ayibhadalwanga athi miningi imigodi uzongcwaba
yeah. So bekahlezi akuphatha kanje lo muntu lo since ngicala ukuthandana or uchangile
bekangekho so since sihlala sonke maybe ukuthi naye la bekakhona mara yo bekangangiphathi kahle ekuqaleni beka right anothi mina ngimshintshele ngithi no nabe ngokurespecta mara wena irespect ikayithu kumele ifone yangirespecta nami ngizokurespecta awungirespect angiboni nokuthi ngini nokhuluma nami the way afuna ngakhona.
So if maybe there's someone who's watching right now who wants to help you either financially or someone who says mina ngakusiza maybe ngihlambise amapati or whatever, do you believe in such things? Would you be welcoming of somebody like that to contact you and talk to you, of course, first?
Ngingakwemukela because ngiyalifuna usizo because nami lempilo engiphila ngithanda ngamukela because nalabo esihlala khona usisi wakhe angitshela ukuthi ubuye nale phone wayitshontsha so nganomtshela ukuthi no ungitshela ukuthi ubuye nale phone ngithi phathi lo wayitshontsha lo wayisethembisa ngathi awungibuzi mosi yangitshela wathi ya ubuye nayo for repeat so nganodine cause since bahlezi bakhuluma the way bafuna ngakhona nganokucala ukumphendula nganomtshela ke lawa ama message ngikuforwardele wona kuthi awungitshela ukukhuluma the way so ubhuti wakhe wakwatela leyo nto leyo ukuthi bengingamelanga ukuthi ngimphendule ngithi no nami ngumuntu nganomtshela ukuthi wena if usisi wakho bamenza so uzofila kanjani umntana kina aphila lempilo le ngibona bangiphilisa yona nawo ngiphilisa yona wayibona nongidropela ifone nami ngaphuma kuye
so umgcine khona kanjalo? It was the last conversation that you had with him?
Ngimgcine lapho mina.
How long has it been since you spoke to him? How many months or years?
No, asina mama ngithi ngihambe ngeyi-30 zaka January since umbona ngigcine ngeyi-30. Ngeke ngamtshela ukuthi abantwana bayalenta. Uje ngicela size umntana esikolweni because next year kumele aye esikolweni. Wathi uzoyenza iplan ngamtshela nokuthi umntana uyagula lo munye njengoba umbona nezilonda uyagula. Akaphendulanga next unovela blue tick.
So would you be comfortable with me to leave your contact details on the screen and also share your banking details for anyone who would like to assist you and the child, because of I can tell your living situation right now it's not okay and you don't have any backup. So would you be okay for me to share with the viewers?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. To everyone who's watching, I'm gonna leave her contact details and her banking details for you guys to please donate, even if it's 1 rand, 2 rand, 10 rand, whatever that you can afford, so that we can help, especially the poor children. They haven't done anything, and yeah, let's please do as we do as South Africans and help one another. And yeah, please, I plead with you. The banking details will be on the screen. And another thing that I wanted to ask is that are you planning to relocate permanently to Swaziland? And then once you've relocated, are you gonna try to reach out to him as well so that he can have some sort of relationship with his children? Because I remember you said even the children don't want to see him anymore because of the things he's done in front of them.
If angeke ngize ngimlandelele because manje ngiyamlandelela because yena akayizwa le pain engizwa ukuthi ngihlala nabantwana abafundi mangivuka ekseni bahleli nami asihlali asihlale kithi kubuhlungu hlezi ngimtshela ukuthi kubuhlungu ukuthi abantwana uhleli nabo abanalutho yonke into bazobuza wena nganayi answer so angeke ngimforce ukuthi abe sempilweni zabantwana if you decide ukuthi akafuna akanganohlala angeke ngize ngimforce ichoice yakhe I never ngize ngimforce mara mina ngizihambela ngifuna next cause ngitshela ukuthi angithi angicosha ngizihambela angifuni next kuye ngi-right ungihlukumezile ngi-right.
I really think you made the best decision for yourself and your kids because of even the character that he is, even if he's around the children, the type of things he does in front of them, he's not caring, he's not affectionate. So I feel like you made the right choice choosing yourself and your children, and things will get better in time. I wanted to ask Uguti Futi, family yakho yona, like ikuphi when everything is happening? Couldn't you go back to your family, or how is your relationship with them?
Family, anginayo family la South Africa.
Okay. And then ekhaya
Eswatini bakhona labakhona.
Okay. Mama ubaba basaphila bona?
Baba vela kazabe sempilweni yethu.
So you say like the generational, should we call it curses, it's like now following on to you as well now, and the children, like, because it seems like the same thing that happened to you is now happening to the kids.
Yes.
And you spoke about experiencing a situation where somebody took advantage of you as a kid. Would you be open to share a little bit about that? If you're comfortable only.
No, but
yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Are there any last words that you'd like to share with the viewers? If somebody's in the same situation as you, in Dombazana, would you give them advice on how they can handle it?
Engakusho mina because of experiences engiyexperiencele ngokuthi like if unabantwana uzothi hayi sengenzele izingane zami ungasenzeli izingane zakho yenzele impilo yakho impilo izochubeka noma ngabe izingane maybe zi4 zi5 or zi6 okusalayo bazokhula impilo izochubeka uNkulunkulu akakunikeza umthwalo ongaphezulu kwamandla akho sukazi ukuthi uzokwazi ukumela.
And is there anything that you'd like to share with my viewers, how they can help you, the kind of help that you need? Like, could you just add a little bit on what I've already told them? Just tell them how they can assist you.
Bangangisiza ngaloko abangisiza ngakho like abantwana abanalutho abananempahla. Ukuthi maybe bangasizakala ukuthi bathole ama-birth certificate because abanalutho. Abanawo.
And if somebody out there is also willing to like donate clothes, help with anything like that, they're also open to.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, there you have it, my fellow South Africans, everyone who's currently watching Sensitive Topics. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And also, most importantly, let's help each other. Let's do what we can to donate, even if it's clothes or 2 rand, like I said, or 10 rand, or maybe if you could help with getting the children a birth certificate, you know, anything like that is more than welcome. We would really appreciate it, myself and Usiswa Mla. And most importantly, we are doing it for the kids. They are our future. So thank you so much for watching. Until we meet again. Thank you.